batido, Naruma, querido, ¿qué hizo? Ahí está Vinicius, se espera Benzema.
Here comes Snoop too. Welcome. It's the
Coach, come out and talk about the fact that you peed on the floor downstairs. Coach, we need to have it. We need to talk. We need to talk right now.
Turns out, every family photo needs dogs, and that's it. This drone doesn't need to be charged. This barn ain't big enough for the two of us.
That delivery came with an unexpected cardio session.
The crow is the referee who decided to pick a side.
Rip, you're gonna fall out. You're a knucklehead. You did fall out.
You've ever seen.
Get up, Bubba! I'm trying! Get up! All right, get up.
Cats can solve some pretty impressive problems when food is involved.
And you only do it in the right direction.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, we're checking out the most hilarious animals on the internet. This little one was definitely born with the vibe of a natural-born predator.
For your information, cows absolutely refuse to let their favorite human out of their sight.
Personal space is just another rule cats love to ignore. Cats don't need to know how something works to enjoy it.
Are we kidding? Holy.
No doubt, in multi-dog households, Chihuahuas will often reign. If I were you, I'd never get bored with watching this every day.
Go to Sortens.
All new outlets and switches. It's a little bit of a boring process to watch, so that you might up there filling with him putting in the smart system. So once we get
You're so helpful.
Ty learned how to use a tap and die today.
He's not an uncle, he's a living jungle gym for the kids.
How'd you get in there? You can try to snuggle? Mommy help you. There you go.
This is exactly the vibe of children, waiting forever for their favorite treat. Lull me to sleep, Human. It makes me feel so safe.
Let's grow. What?
Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. Good morning. How did you sleep last night? I missed you.
Fun fact, dogs explore new objects by sniffing, pawing, and destroying.
No, go to daddy.
Nothing gets a dog more excited than feeling useful. That proud walk says, please compliment my achievements.
Bring it in the house. Oh, thank you.
I'm ready.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh. That's amazing.
Not just a plain bowl, but it's a betrayal contract.
Unfortunately, I did not check my outfit before meeting my girlfriend's family.
Just the little orange cat judging the big one for not causing chaos like they're supposed to. I didn't know I needed to see a giggling mouse today. Oh.
Co jesteś za mną?
This one has gone full turtle, and there is no turning back.
Hey, Winston. What does an owl call its beak? Who knows? Who knows? Oh, come on.
To a child, water tastes good only if he has to fight to drink it.
They lift you out.
When it comes to friendship, it's not the species that matters, it's the mischief level.
I would like to use my hand. Can you even breathe? Are you okay?
When life gives you a little fish in his gift. Just a giant bouncer is letting his new VIP guest in.
Compared to others his size, he's undoubtedly the boss.
Normalize you not touching my charger. Stop.
Can I get a pup cup, please? Somebody give me a pup cup. Give me a pup cup right now. I'm acting so good, standing on Dad's door.
Sleeping with cats is amazing, but it's exactly like sharing a bed with toddlers who refuse to sleep. Great, Kiddo thinks the clinic is his home and the vet is his servant now.
Did you lose your sisters? Come on, Oreo. Let's go find your sisters. Yeah? Come on, buddy. Let's go find your sisters. I just abandoned you. So mean.
What are you doing?
Holding
running off for dear life.
Come on, Riker, come up the stairs.
Buddy.
Come on.
Here.
Look at this determined boy. He's like, Kentucky Derby? Here I come.
This stray dog fell in love with a plushie, and a stranger stepped in to make his dream come true.
มันไม่ได้อยากได้
Nature provided the equipment. German Shepherd provided the creativity. A wilderness float is invented. Even in the wild, friendship can rewrite the rules. Thanks for watching. Dog will be like, if I sit close enough, maybe the snacks will appear. The emotional damage started before the water even turned on.
That's a sweet one.
No kisses on the face. Paisley.
The ultimate goal for these fur balls is to be served, not just accepted.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas.
Oh, Percy, you can't come in. Outside, Percy. Tell him outside. You're not allowed in here.
We're trying to go grocery shopping. I think we have to get that bed. Look at him, he loves it. Hi, baby.
He's gonna flop.
Oh, hey, get a good boy. You go to the Costco bed.
Vet visit? Nope, it's a bestie meetup.
What are you doing?
Babysit my grandpa. Look at him. Yeah, this time.
This dog thinks the attention could be shared a little better.
Oh.
Non. Attention là.
Sit down. Finally.
What are you doing, dude? Huh?
I don't like this cramped room anymore. I need to go find a rabbit to race.
Did you do it? Did you? Did you pee on my floor? Did you pee on my floor, Joe? Bad girl.
Go on. Go on, Junie.
So if you're the president of the United States and you're looking, they're coming from here, here, and here. They're most of Did you find this one?
Touch Luna.
Cats can learn commands when they feel like it.
He took the internet's advice to touch grass literally.
This is why silence around puppies is terrifying.